Human brain needs exploration and challenge. And this only can provide entertainment. And it can happen both way. If in the external world we are attracted to the exploration and challenge and such type of entertainments, then naturally we will be a slave of external world, external entertainment, such as some film shows, some sports entertainment, music entertainment, etc., etc. But if one enters into the arena of his inner being, then such entertainment is converted into challenge and exploration of the real being, of the inner being, and where one is established with his self-entertainment. He is not dependent on any external entertainment furthermore. And that is the real entertainment of life. Do you understand this?